time to put some money in that gold envelope. I'm adding $50 more. I should be up to a little over 200. Let's see, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 210. So my gold envelope is up to 210. However, my plan was to purchase next payday. That's 2 weeks from today. But that doesn't mean I've been ignoring the price of gold and the gold market. I won't even discuss the silver market. Matter of fact, for the first time in history, as far as I've witnessed, I can't speak about you or the guy down the block. Normally the price of silver follows gold. It trails it. They're going in different directions. Gold is going up. Silver's going down or staying down. And last time I looked at silver, it was $14.07 an ounce. The spot price. The market actually dictates the price. And the price for one silver eagle, if you were to buy one silver eagle, is $23. Everybody's out, by the way. Forgot to mention that. Generic rounds, they're going for about $21. Forget the spot price. The market dictates the actual price. So my goal was next payday to buy that quarter ounce of gold. Do I want to buy it when the price of gold is up? All these, I definitely don't. But now I'm saying to myself, okay, wait till it goes down. Don't lead your subscribers into buying their gold when it's up. Then all these questions go through my mind. Will it go down? When will it go down? How far will it go down? Will it go down and then jump up again? How will this pandemic affect the price of gold? I've come to the conclusion, although I put my goals out there to you, that I was going to purchase my gold coin in mid-April. I'm still saving the money up. I'm not stopping. However, when it's time to purchase in 2 weeks from today, I am going to take a look at the gold, the price, the market, and see if it's advantageous for us to purchase. It's at that time I'll make a final call, whether I'm going to purchase then or wait one more payday. And all along, I'm still going to be putting money in this gold envelope. All along. I don't care if I have to wait another month or two. You and I, are still going to put money in here. That's the challenge, folks. Never said it was going to be easy. You're going to keep putting money in your gold envelope. And when the time is right, we'll count those funds. And hopefully, not only will there be enough for a quarter ounce of pure gold, who knows, there might be a little bit extra. Maybe you can buy a quarter ounce plus a tenth of an ounce. Or maybe in your envelope, you'll have enough to buy a half an ounce. Let's just keep saving. Don't worry about the market right now. I know the market, the gold price is high. I personally wouldn't want to buy right now. I would love for it to get down into the high 14s. I would love to see those prices again. Anyway, thanks. Keep saving. Please stick with this gold challenge. I challenge you to keep putting money in here every payday in your gold envelope. We're going to do it. Take care.